Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my Tesla. Today I'm showing you this thing that I got, but I won't be able to really use it, but it says it's a EVFIT Model 3, Model Y jack lifting thing. So if you have the Teslas, you don't, when people jack up the car, if you have to have somebody emergency do it for changing a tire or something, the problem is people put the things in the wrong place and stuff like that. So they got these thingies here, these pads, and so this will hook up to the jack. This will hook up, there's holes where you can connect it under the car. And so you stick this thing into the hole and then they have a bigger pad to jack it up on. And it feels like a hockey puck kind of thing. Seems like it'll be pretty decent to pick up the car. I mean, it's kind of got some weight to it. But it comes with a set of 4, so they can put them around the car if they have to jack up the whole car, I guess. But if someone can't drive it onto a lift or something like that, they can use those, or maybe even if they put them onto a lift, they can line up the lift thingies with that. So it seems like a pretty cool thing. Comes with a little case, so it's kind of nice. And I'm just gonna keep it in the car in case there's an emergency. I will have this. I'll probably just stick it up in the front and it'll be ready to go. So I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews of things soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.